cool when you drop the stump grinder off and you get a show. It's been struck by lightning, so it's got a crack all the way up through it, and we're just trying to be cautious of that variable in this equation. You know what I mean? Just because that alters everything when you're felling these big trees. Yeah, this is gonna be, you know what I mean? This is what being a man is about, bro, right here.
Getting ready to throw this poplar that got struck by lightning. We're going to ratchet strap it, just be on the safe side.
We're thinking that this is going to be another perfectly, safely, efficiently executed felling of a tree by Robert's tree experts. Right, Scott?
That's exactly right. Jesse on the job.
Yeah.
I mean,
What can
Jesse.
go wrong? It's not what you think, it's what you know. And we know that tree's got a crack in it. Little disclaimer, all of that additional damage was expected and was planned for. That tree's coming down as well. So before you guys come for us in the comments that he fell that into another tree, that one's coming down too.